today we are going to discuss what are some factors or what are 10 habits that can weaken your immune system or immune response. So, as you know that our body have a defense mechanism which is activated through our white blood cells and is regulated in the form of immunity. Immunity basically protect our body from the foreign bacteria or viruses that enters in the body. But when this immunity is weakened, there is no cells or there is no immunity that is responsible to fight against the viruses and bacteria that have enters in your body. So number one habit is inadequate intake of the water. As we know that all our body cells are composed of 75% water, and whenever a person does not intake of water that is sufficient to his requirement, there is inadequate water in the body, due to which the water inside the cell is decreased, so the immunity is weakened because no electrolytes or nothing is going towards your cells. That is why. Next comes the poor sleep. There are two types of sleep: a good sleep and a poor sleep. Poor sleep refers to 4 to 6 hours sleep, and good sleep refers to 7 to 9 hours sleep. If a person is not having a good sleep, he is having a weak immune system, because a proper sleep mechanism is there in order to have a good immunity. Third comes being a night owl. You know that many of our individual and many of the young generation is busy all over the night and they sleep in the morning. They take or they spend their whole of the night in watching movies, dramas, playing games, and not giving time to sleep. Therefore, due to which their immune system is weakened. Fourth comes excessive consumption of the alcohol. Whenever a person intake alcohol too much, it hormonal changes may take place. Cortisol may stimulated, and this cortisol weaken your immune system. Whenever we take too much caffeine like coffee, you have seen that there are many people who intake coffee about 4 to 5 cups daily in a day. Therefore, this causes the stimulation of the cortisol and the adrenaline hormones, due to which your immune system is weakened and these white blood cells are being destroyed due to this caffeine. Eating junk foods, smoking जो होते हैं, smoking disturb our whole body system. It affects us lungs, and it affects our bronchial respiration, due to which the immune system is weakened and is unable to fight against any disease or any infection or the virus. In some journal or some research, it was said that depending upon the life history of an organism, osmotic regulation is of great influence than that of the energy availability. It means that water is very essential for our body to maintain or to have a strong immune system. And when this water is insufficient in our body, our cells are being destroyed and our immune system is being weakened. Then comes the sedentary lifestyle. A person is not involved in any physical activities. He is just lying on a bed, not paying attention to any other thing. It also weakens his immunity. Poor relationship, poor social relationship. As if a person is having a good relationship, he and have a strong immune system, as enjoyment and happiness is the key to better or strong immune system. But if the person is having a poor social relationship, he or she is being disturbed or having any stress, it also weakens the immune system. Overweight and obesity is also a key that leads to the weakened immune system. So have less food, have healthy diet. Healthy diet is the key to have a strong immune system. So precautionary measures that you can take: have 8 to 10 glasses of water daily, go to sleep for 7 to 9 hours, have sufficient supply of water in your body, avoid smoking, and avoid the consumption of the alcohol. And the last one is the excessive intake of the sugar also weaken your immune system. Now, how it weakens? Whenever you intake a sugar in a large amount, it may be in the form of chocolates, in the form of candies, in the form of any sweet, it may weaken our immune system, because this sugar does not allow the vitamin C to enter inside the cell, that is the white blood cell. Therefore, when vitamin C is not being given to the white blood cells, the immunity system is being weakened. Therefore, if you want to have a sweet food, you can take watermelon, mangoes, any other fruit that is natural, that may provide immunity or provide strength to your immune system.